As a carnivore, or even as being a keto person, have you ever been eating a breakfast and you wanted either a good pancake or a good waffle? I know we have.
All the time.
But we didn't want to break our diet or the ketosis or being a carnivore. Today we're going to show you how you can make an awesome carnivore pancake / either or waffle. We're going to do the waffle today. Check this out. This is the best we came across. So guys, I'm Dave.
I'm Katie.
And we are with RNRV Chronicles. We used to travel the world, not the world, but the U.S., okay? She was a travel nurse, and now we're kind of settling down. And we really have been being very cautious of what we've been eating. And we've been searching all over the place, just trying to find the best carnivore / keto recipes. So we're going to start bringing them to you. They're going to be simple. They're going to be basic. But they're going to be fun, and they're going to be awesome, and they're going to be good for you. None of that junky stuff that, is out there. Anyways, guys, follow along with us on this journey, and I'm going to turn it over to Katie because she is going to make an awesome
carnivore waffle.
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, so we are going to start with 1 cup of ground up pork rinds. I know what you're thinking. I thought the same thing when we found this recipe.
I did too.
I said, I am not eating that. That sounds disgusting.
Yeah. We had our friend here, as she puts him in there, we had our friend here and he's carnivore. We're keto and he was carnivore. And I said, well, the good thing is with us being keto, we can eat the carnivore diet too, because it just fits right in with us. But anyways, so we found this and we made this. Our noses were up the whole entire time. He was actually chomping at the bits. And he actually has a YouTube channel too. It's called Random Adventures 2.0. His name is Tony. Go check him out. Well, anyways, we made this for him. This is incredible. This is awesome.
Yeah. So what I did, I added some beef gelatin powder.
How much was that?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon?
Beef gelatin powder to the pork rind mixture.
I'll put these back here.
Oh, yes. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. So yeah, when we first found this recipe, I was like, no, I'm not going to eat that. That sounds so disgusting. Baking powder.
Yes.
Take that away, please.
Yes.
Cinnamon.
I'm the assistant today. I am the sous chef.
The sous chef. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yummy.
Hey, cinnamon is good for your blood pressure. Didn't know if you knew that.
Blood pressure and blood sugar.
I know that is technically not probably carnivore, but it is actually really good for you.
1/4 cup of non-sugar sweetener of your choice. We have a mixture of like an erythritol, powdered erythritol mixture. I'm going to need that again.
Okay.
So that's all our dry ingredients. So we are going to mix this up just a tad bit. Just to mix it.
Yep. So we're just pre-mixing all the dries, right?
Okay. So all our dries are together. Next, one of my favorite mugs. I'm a nurse. What's your superpower? 4 eggs.
Husband of a nurse.
Yeah. 4 eggs. 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream.
And I apologize that we're trying a new camera. And if it's doing some focused breathing, I apologize. I will be making some corrections. I did try to get that out as much as possible. You done with this?
Done with that. And then 1 tablespoon vanilla extract.
Now I have one more ingredient sitting there, Katie, and the reason why I put that out there was not for you to use, but for me to talk about this. Guys, I don't know if you have a Sprouts anywhere in your area. Now, we used the erythritol and monk fruit powder, but we typically use strictly liquid stevia. And Sprouts, in our opinion, we have tried so many different ones. Sprouts is the best. You don't have to use a lot, and it's very, very sweet. So we're talking just drops. So if you guys have a Sprouts in the area, go try out their liquid stevia. It's really, really good.
Okay. Now I'm going to mix everything up together.
I'm going to say probably a good 30 seconds to a minute. Just let it whip up. It is going to be wet.
All right, time's up. Let's check it.
Okay, and like I said in the beginning, it is going to be a little wet, and that's okay. You're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes before you use it.
Yeah, that's
The pork rinds will absorb the moisture. So we are going to put it back in to this here. So make it easier. It makes it easier for us to. I'm going to drop this. Oh man, this thing is so heavy. I'll probably cut that out.
smells. The batter smells really good. I could smell the cinnamon, smell the vanilla.
Yes.
And we're not even cooking yet, so.
So like I said, it is going to be a little bit on the runny side, on our liquidy side. So just go ahead and let it sit for like 5 minutes before you use this, okay? Meanwhile, while that's sitting a little bit, we're going to go ahead and put that away. And we're going to get our waffle iron, which we have preheated. It's okay. I'm going to pull it over here. Go ahead and unplug that. Now I'm going to pull this over here, and hopefully this camera will pick that up. I hope that one will too. But anyway, so we got this stuff ready. Give us about 5 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're back. Isn't that awesome? It was 5 minutes for us. It was like a split second for them.
5 seconds for them.
Anyways, here we are. Like I said, it will thicken up. Okay? The pork rinds actually soak up a lot of the moisture and whatnot, so that's good. You can thin it out if you want to. My recommendation is
To not to.
don't. It's going to come out well. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do one here, and we're just going to put this on. I am not putting anything down onto the griddle. You can if you want to.
Now it usually comes up pretty easily. It's a non-stick surface.
Yeah. Now we don't really like a lot of non-stick surfaces actually, but with this kind of stuff you can't buy anything that I have found anyway, and if anybody has found anything, let me know. That is not a non-stick. So we have done our very best to eliminate as much non-stick as possible in our life. So anyways, check this out. Look at that. Look at that. Look how thick and swelling that thing up. Let's get that out of the way so that his camera can pick it up. Look at that. It's opening up like a Pac-Man. Go around. How many people on here are old enough to remember Pac-Man? That was a fun game.
It was fun.
Yes, it was.
I liked Pac-Man.
Yes. Okay, so that's done. It just clicked. But we like ours just to go a little bit extra longer, just to give a little bit of an edge of a crispiness to it. So we're going to go ahead and let that go. Let me grab a plate here, babe. We are going to get the good old yellow one. We love the yellow one. Sorry, we got our pooch down over here just playing on the...
You might hear him snorting a little bit.
Yeah. So, we're ready? Let's go ahead and pull that out.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, we have a boxer black lab. Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at this, guys.
It's yummy.
I'm telling you. And spongy. I mean, that's nice. That is really nice. Let me do one more here. Can get this on. Try not to put quite as much, but it really does work well. And like I said, try not to, do your best not to go over that temptation of thinning this out. Just work with it, being thick. You will get really big and spongy carnivore waffles. Pancakes. This thing works great on pancakes. Now what we typically do for ours is we take butter and we melt it down. Sometimes we'll just do strictly butter. Sometimes we'll do butter with a little bit of flavor, like cinnamon and vanilla in it. And other times we'll put in a sugar-free type, just a little bit of like caramel flavor to it. We don't use that a whole lot. We have it, and we've had it for a while because of the chemicals that's in it. So we kind of don't really, we haven't done that in a long time.
No,
But it's an alternative if you're keto and you want to go down that route. We just use butter and maybe just a drop of vanilla flavoring on it, which just already has vanilla in it. So we're just going to go ahead and throw on some melted butter. We're going to wait for this one to come up. We'll be right back. All right, everyone. The second one is done. We already plated it. Check these out. I have them on the side there, Katie, because I planned on putting some eggs and bacon on there. The only problem is I didn't do any eggs and bacon.
We didn't cook any. So I guess it's just waffles.
So we just better put them in the middle.
Let's just put them in the middle.
Well, anyways, but here you go. And they are nice. I'm telling you, these things, they're the best ones that we found so far.
Yep.
So they're great.
Yummy. Let's eat.
But just because the texture is right, just because the coloring is right, doesn't mean that it's going to taste good. So let's go ahead. We're going to put a little bit of butter on top here. Actually, we're going to put a lot of butter on top because we're butter persons. Keto, carnivore. Yes. And here we go. Let's do it, babe. And they taste, I'm almost there, gonna say, better than regular waffles.
They do. And you think like, oh, pork rinds. You don't, it doesn't taste like pork. I promise you, 100% does not taste like pork.
Nope.
It tastes like a regular breakfast waffle.
Wow. That's really good.
It's really good.
Anyways, like, subscribe, and please share this video. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please do so.
Please do.
Okay? Hit the bell notification thing and all that stuff you got to do so you can follow along with this journey with us. Anyways, if you guys want to see anything, please leave a comment down below.
Yeah, if you have any suggestions about recipes, anything you'd like to see us make.
Yeah.
Or anything you've tried that you've enjoyed, please share it with us.
Please.
We love to try it ourselves.
Yes.
We love new recipes, so.
And leave a comment and about that. Leave a link down below where we might be able to find the recipe, or you could leave it right on the comment section. And what we'll do is go ahead and print it out, and we will actually make a video of it and give you the credit. So, guys, again, thanks for coming along. If you make these and you like them, come back and make a comment.
Let us know.
Okay?
Yeah, let us know.
Hey, guys, God bless. Take care, and bye for now. Man, these are really good. Wow. It's nice having carnivore friends, isn't it?